In the world of filmmaking, there is a constant war between quality and convenience. For decades, if you wanted a cinematic look, you had to carry a heavy DSLR, a bulky gimbal, and a bag full of lenses. But in late 2023, DJI changed the game with the Osmo Pocket 3. It was a masterpiece, a 1-inch sensor that fit in your pocket. It became the gold standard for every YouTuber, traveler, and professional vlogger in America. But as we sit here in 2026, the tech world is holding its breath. The king is about to be dethroned, and the craziest part? DJI is the one doing the dethroning. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are officially entering the era of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and the leaks we've seen over the last few weeks aren't just minor updates. They are a declaration of war against traditional cameras. If you are a creator, or if you've ever dreamed of capturing your life in a way that looks like a Hollywood movie, you need to pay very close attention. Because the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just a vlogging camera. According to the most recent FCC filings and warehouse leaks from February 2026, DJI is splitting this lineup into two monsters, a standard model and a legendary Pro variant. This isn't just about a better battery or a shinier screen. We are talking about the first ever pocket camera with a Hasselblad-tuned dual sensor system. We are talking about 8K resolution in a device the size of a Snickers bar. And if you're a creator in the US, there is a ticking clock on this technology that you haven't been told about yet. Let's pull back the curtain on the hardware. The biggest complaint with the Pocket 3, as perfect as it was, revolved around its limitations in extreme lighting and the lack of true optical zoom. DJI didn't just fix these, they over-engineered the solution. The Osmo Pocket 4 standard is rumored to retain that gorgeous 1-inch CMOS sensor, but with a massive upgrade to the image processor. We are looking at 4K recording at a staggering 240 frames per second. Think about that for a second. That is cinema-grade slow motion that was previously reserved for $5,000 RED cameras or high-end Sony rigs. But the real stop-what-you're-doing moment comes with the Pocket 4 Pro. Leaks suggest a dual 1/1.1-inch sensor setup, one for wide-angle shots and a dedicated telephoto lens for 2x to 4x optical zoom. For the first time in history, you won't have to walk closer to your subject and lose quality with digital cropping. You can stand back, let the gimbal do the work, and capture compressed, cinematic portraits with natural background bokeh that looks indistinguishable from a full-frame mirrorless camera. Now, why does this matter for the US audience specifically? Because the talking head culture is evolving. American creators are moving away from overly produced studio setups and toward lifestyle cinematography. We want to look like we have a film crew following us while we're just walking down a street in NYC or hiking in Zion. The Pocket 4's new Active Track 7.0 is the secret sauce here. It's no longer just following a face, it's using predictive AI to understand human movement. If you walk behind a tree or a pillar, the AI calculates your trajectory and reacquires you the millisecond you reappear. It's like having a robotic cameraman who never misses a shot and never gets tired. But there's a dark cloud hanging over this launch that no one is talking about. With the current regulatory landscape and the potential for import restrictions on